Go ahead.
So these are our daffodils, and they've kind of started turning brown on the tips, and you can see here. They always bloom, you know, really, really pretty in the, what is it, late winter, early spring.
Yeah, they come on early.
For just a minute. But once the bloom is done, you need to go ahead and leave these until they start to turn brown like this. And then you want to trim them off to the ground. If you trim them off too early, they won't look that great next year if you're going to leave them in the ground. And we don't dig these out every year. Some people do. But the reason you want to leave all of this is because these stems and these stalks are still pulling in like nutrients and moisture for the bulb that's down in the ground. So what we do when it's time to trim them is I'll just get the bunch like this, and I take a pair of my garden clippers and I get down as close as I can to the ground and just cut those off, just trim those off so it's neat and nice like that.